Hi everyone, I wanted to take a minute to kind of go over the Animoto assignment and I'm going to give us time in class instead of requiring you to figure it out all on your own at home. But if you do take time, I want you to look at it tonight. I want you to try to make your video tonight. Um, but if you can't or you don't get it finished by tonight, we will have time in class to work on it. If you do get it finished tonight, fantastic. You get a little free time in class. Maybe you'll help a colleague, and I would hope so. But I have shared the link to these instructions with you. Um, and I will say this very quickly about Animoto. You can access it either on your laptop or your desktop, or you can access it as a mobile app on your phone if you have a smartphone. I will tell you that I actually find the mobile device version a little bit easier and a little bit faster, but you can certainly do it from a desktop as well. So you either will download the app or you will grab this link that I have highlighted and paste it into your search bar, and it will take you to this page. You may create an account if you like, or you can do what I usually do, which is sign up using Facebook, just because it gives access to my pictures and such a little bit quicker. So I created this on my phone earlier today, which I'll share with you tomorrow. This is one I made a few months ago as a demonstration. Both of these I've started on my computer. Um, and if you wanted to create a new one, you go up to the top right and click Create, and you're going to select a style. Now I'm going to caution you here, if you're working on your desktop, I do not expect you to spend any money on this project. So when you pick a style, and let me turn that down because we don't need to listen to the music. Make sure that you see this, make a 30-second video for free. You want that link. So, you can go through, there's a couple different styles, and make sure you see that, because there are ones like documentary that are only for pro plans, which means you'd have to pay. So I do not expect you to spend any cash. But pick one of the free styles. I know Animoto Original is free. Select make a 30-second video for free, and then it will take you to the video creator. And this is what you will see. You can change styles, which is the thing we just picked. You can add a logo, or you start adding pics and videos if you have any. You can also create text throughout. I'm going to go to ones that I have started some work on just as an example. I think this one is the one I'm looking for. Yeah, so I've already added in a few pictures so that you don't have to watch the whole painful process. Okay, so as you see here, you have a little add button. You just select that and it will take you either, you can choose pictures or videos or text. So just to demonstrate, no, not Instagram. I want to use my Facebook. And I have a ton of pictures, so it's probably going to retrieve it very slowly. What do I want to show? Yeah, so you get a nice little inside peek at my Facebook photos. Okay, so you select whichever album you want. You select the picture you want, and you add item. I will say this is where I think the mobile device is better than the laptop or desktop, because you can select multiple items at once, and maybe you can do multiple on your laptop or desktop. It's just not letting me do it on mine. And then it'll load. The other thing I want to show you is that you can move the order around of images. You can create captions. just by typing and typing well. And let's go ahead and add a text, a title. And you know what, I'm just going to slide that as an opener perhaps. Maybe I'll add one at the end, something like that. Then you can also select the music that you want. You can upload music. Boy. Sure. But spend some time on it. This is just a demo, so pick songs that you think maybe are reflective of you, so on and so forth. Be sure to save throughout, like I just did up here at the top right. And let's see, I'm not seeing the whole screen. There we go. You can see preview video here at the bottom left. You can title it, date it, give a description. And when you're happy with it, and this would not be a satisfactory video for me because it's so thrown together and it makes no sense as of yet. But when you're happy with it, you then click produce, or you could keep editing. But once it's produced, you cannot edit, which is a little frustrating. And then you should see this as it's finalizing down here. You can share it by email, you can post it on Facebook or tweet it if you're so inclined, you can upload it to YouTube, you can embed it in a website if you decide to make a portfolio and go the extra distance and build your own website. Or, and this is really going to be the useful one, you'll grab a link and take this copy and post it into your daily journal Google Doc. In fact, so I'm just going to copy that. You can copy the clipboard, open up student portfolios, which I showed you in a previous video. We're just going to keep using yours. Give the date, give the right month. Sorry that you get to listen to me type, Animoto video, and then you'd say in this video, give some info on it, and then, you can just paste the link if you want, or if you are like me and prefer things that are a little more aesthetically clean, you can insert a link. So now the text itself is the link that would then take us to the video. Okay, so as I said, in class, we will work on this. We will have a little more time, and feel free to use your laptop or desktop or use the mobile phone. Do try this tonight. We will have a little time should you get stuck in class tomorrow. And I wish you all good luck with this. It should be fun. Think of it as fun. Introduce yourself. And now, if I can just get this to go up a little bit. There. All right. See you tomorrow, guys.